Hello, welcome to Yami's Kitchen. Magandang araw sa lahat, mayong adlaw sa tanan. Today, I'm showing you a dessert, very antigo recipe from our Spanish or Italian ancestors. It's Torta de Cebu. Torta means cake in Italian. Naadyo ni siya permi every fiesta sa Bohol o sa Cebu. What you need are 3 cups of soft rising flour, 7 egg yolks, 4 egg whites, 1 cup oil, 3/4 cup sugar, another 1/4 sugar for egg white mixture, 1/2 cup leche evaporada, 1/2 cup leche condensada, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon orange zest, 1 teaspoon anise powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. For garnish, you need 1/4 cup of butter, it's optional, and 1/4 cup of sugar. First is to separate the egg yolks and egg whites. So we need 7 egg yolks and 4 egg whites. Then zest the orange. You can use a 1 big orange. I'm using 2 because it's a little bit smaller. In a large mixing bowl, combine the egg yolks, the sugar, and orange zest. Then whisk, or you can use a stand mixer if you want. I'm just using this manual because the stand mixer, I'm gonna use that for the egg whites later. Continue whisking until it turns pale yellow. Then add the oil, vanilla, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. Then whisk until it's very well incorporated. Then add salt and flour gradually to avoid clumps. Then mix and whisk until it becomes smooth. In a stand mixer, combine the egg whites and the sugar and beat until stiff. You stop beating until you get as stiff as this. Then add the anise powder to the egg yolk mixture. Fold the egg whites to the egg yolks gradually until it's done and incorporated very well. So at this time, you can preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then start to spoon in the batter to the mold with the liner. You can find torta mold and liner at any supermarket, and if you can't, you can make it your own using a wax paper. Bring to the oven and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn up the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 15 minutes. Now you can check and prick with toothpick, and if it comes out clean, that means it's already cooked. Turn off the heat, and before serving, brush with butter and sprinkle with sugar on top, and then it's ready to serve. It's perfect with coffee and tea. Thanks for watching everyone, and please don't forget to subscribe and follow our Facebook page, and please like, comments, share, and press the notification button to get an update of new videos. Bye, ciao! See you in the next video.